This is the elevator at the Lilley Library at Penn State Behrend in Harborcreek Township, Pennsylvania. This is the Seelar Oildraulic with impulse. There's the outside lantern. There's the inside lantern. Doesn't light until after doors open. Got the two. Here we go. There's a locked penthouse too with an interesting key switch. It might be a code violation too, because then you can't get there unless you have that key in fire service. Here two. The Kochel Center, which is connected, has a similar elevator, except it's only 2 floors. Back down to ground. That was pretty quick close. 80 front, there's a random screw right there. It's a basic, kind of like a teal blue cab. Definitely a donor cab though. Certificate installed in 1993. Here back at ground. There's the map of both the library and the Kochel Center. They're closing this one yet.